Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly, and if you're new, welcome. Hello. In today's video, we are going to, I don't know if it's the video today or however I'm doing this, but me and Jonathan, we are now moving. We're starting the process of moving out of our amazing home. We're going to move to my parents' house. Long story short, this actually is one of my parents' homes, but we are moving in to be with my mom right now. So we're gonna be renovating this floor so that we can start interviewing new tenants to come move in, while we are in the process of moving to my mom and dad's other home. So anyway, we're gonna be redecorating, moving a lot of stuff. Today I was just like all over Pinterest looking at like what kind of room do I even want, what color am I gonna paint the walls before I start even moving my furniture over there. Trying to figure out what kind of like walls I'm gonna be painting. If I'm gonna like, I think I'm gonna paint it myself, create like a stencil and like do something. The room is like as big as, like the bedroom is literally as big as my living room, so it's pretty big. So I have to figure out what I'm doing with the space. So it's, you know, I'm very indecisive, so it's gonna be hard, but just come with me for the ride, because why not? I think it's cool to document. I'm gonna miss this home, a lot of memories, and we're gonna start new ones. So I'm gonna go to my mom's house right now. Let's go. So we are entering, I'm blurry. Okay, there I am. All right, so we are entering the room right now. It is very echoey in here right now and kind of all over the place because we already started moving stuff out of here. Like there used to be a wardrobe on this wall right here. Clearly it's no longer there. That's why you have that door there. There was a wardrobe like covering this door. This door, the cool part about it is my parents are so freaking cool that that door doesn't lead to anything anymore. It used to be like an actual room or a closet or something, but now that behind that door is actually the stairs to go upstairs. So they built the stairs to go upstairs and like the whole attic area, pushed out. They did all that stuff. So it's insane. So I'm debating if I should cover this with sheetrock or do I just let it be? Because I kind of don't care. And for right now, with everything going on, it's not really my focus. So I may just let that be. But I have so much room to work with. Again, we already started moving stuff around. The floors, we have to redo these floors because look, they're like two different colors. So I just have to sand them down. You see like scratches and scuff. So we're gonna polyurethane the floors and make them pretty. Then I have to move in my furniture. There's just a lot to be done. Again, like I said before, I was Pinteresting stuff. So I'm going to see if I can play around with the stencil right now to see how I want to do this wall right here, because I think this will be my accent wall. Well, I'm painting everything. It's not going to be all like this solid gray around here, but I'm staring at that wall because that's going to be where my bed is. So I think behind my bed I'm going to have like a pattern of some sort, and then I got to figure out what I'm doing. I thought about like concrete walls, like creating concrete looking walls, which look really, really nice. I'm going to be doing this all after work, so when I'm out of work I'm gonna be painting and like redoing stuff. So I'm gonna be kept really busy and tired, but it's all fun, and hopefully I can move in sooner than later with Jay, and then yeah, so let's see what stencil I can come up with right about now. Where's mama?
Hello.
Mom is trying to figure out.
I'm looking on
My
Pinterest
stencil.
to see what kind of stencils there are. See, so that
It's actually very well. I've seen that one. That's like a brick one. I used to have like this herringbone upstairs when I used to live in my other apartment. Upstairs,
which was
not here,
beautiful.
over there, another house.
So creative.
But I don't want that because that was like zigzags. This one I want like blocks to it, Mom. Like, you know what I mean? Like
Walmart has 2 stencils left.
I don't think I need a stencil because I want it big. Like I don't want it so tiny. Like I want to create the stencil.
Okay.
So So we're gonna go into the garage. This garage has everything. And the light was left on. Crap. Look at this. Look at this. Always have cardboard. Always do. I actually need, let's see. That's too small. I think I need half of this one. Like this. So I just cut it. To go. While I was gone, this is what Mom does. However, oh, I really like black. Maybe I'll include black in it too. Yeah. So I'm trying to make an L with this, so I could just put my pencil around it and cut it out. Yeah. You know what I mean?
But are you gonna make it so that it's 4? Like this.
Do I do one more?
No.
Oh, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
They're balanced.
So I'm just doing this all around.
Right.
Check.
And then this
a check mark, a check mark, a check mark, a check mark.
And then that next check mark gets laid here so that it's underneath it. So it just,
I keep doing the L's.
yes.
Alright, cool. So now I can just put a pencil around it and cut it out.
Right.
Thanks, Mom. I just finished cutting them out. So Mom's just showing me like what I'm supposed to be doing. But I think I'm just repeating this pattern and then like breaking it up like to make it the picture of how I want it. But that's like the general sense of it. We got our 2 stencils. And I'm gonna take this rack off. Oh, I like how big they are. Yeah. Mom, yeah, I like it this big.
You want me to put the air conditioner on?
How chunky it is. I don't know if I'm gonna start today or not.
Well, you can pencil.
Let's see, let's see.
Do you want to start on a white wall?
No, because I'm gonna do a gray wall.
How about if you leave the walls gray and just do the white wall?
Don't like gray.
But your pattern is gray.
I don't want gray.
Well, I'm just saying you have white walls. The picture you showed me on Pinterest started with a white
Oh,
back.
now you just changed my whole mind. Now I don't know if I should leave it gray. I feel like this gray is so dark though. Or maybe I just do the top with this and then do a lighter gray.
Because these are the walls you're going to look at. You're not looking at these.
Yeah, right. So maybe I do these with this and then paint this a lighter gray because it's too dark.
Yeah. But do you want a straight seam on the bottom?
I think that's fine. What do you think? Oh, going left? Oh, I like it that way. I mean, it's the same thing, I know.
It all has to do with symmetry because you want a clean look
Yeah.
on your corner. So I think if you were to start your pattern like this.
All right, let's stencil it. Oh, it's very faint, but it's so pretty. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work, but it's like painted on wallpaper. It's good. It's good. So it's coming along great, and we have Mom mixing colors because we don't want any texture on the wall. We're watering down the paint.
To a glaze.
Glaze. Well, you can buy the glaze. It's $7, which isn't bad, but we're just not going to the store right now. So we're watering it down.
On a...
In a coffee cup.
3-to-1 ratio.
Talk about DIY. We're doing dark
1
brown.
part paint, 3 parts water.
And we're gonna put in this little bottle. No, we don't have to put it in the bottle now, because I'm gonna use that to paint out of. But yeah. So I will show you the colors that I'm trying to get right now. This is looking really, 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 really good. It's actually not taking as much time as you think it would. Just to start off to get the pattern going right. Right now I'm working on these corners. And it's okay that you see the pencil because I'm just gonna paint over that with like a little hand. So it's a lot of boxes, but it looks so cool. And I'm gonna go light down here or something. I gotta change, I don't know. I don't know if I like this gray. So I'm going back and forth on that, but this is looking really good. Pretty much with these stencils, I love using cardboard. You just bend it, look. So, clearly, that's a check. Then you just keep going, and then when you get to the corner, cool part is that it bends. So you're still going, and this thing is bending. So I'm gonna keep on doing this, and then I don't know if I'm gonna finish it today with it, but maybe tomorrow. And then I'm gonna start painting, but I kind of want to paint right now to see like what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna do that right now too. Again, I'll show you like a picture, like somewhere right here, of what the effect of will be underneath after I outline it. But it's all gonna be like, that made no sense, but yeah, I kind of talk like that sometimes, like bam, 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 bam. So we watered down in the paint. And now I want the pencil to still show because I want to follow those lines. Oh, and it's not showing. I think I'm going to do straight up.
In the pattern of the brick, or?
I don't know.
Like,
should it this way?
Yes, I think you should.
Okay.
I think you should definitely.
I agree. Like that?
In the shape of...
Yes. Isn't that pretty? Like dirty? Or I'm not opposed to like some dark spots. Like I want dark spots, so maybe I'll leave it on like a little bit longer.
And when you're up close, you still can see your thin pencil line.
Yeah.
So you're not losing your pattern.
No.
It's not washing off.
It's like aged. Mesh. Oh my gosh, it looks crazy on the camera, but it's gorgeous. That's exactly what I wanted.
But I want you to have more of the texture of the blocks too.
No, but it'll be there. Ooh, if I just did this, it would be really pretty. It's like aged wall. This is coming out so good. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of those lines. Well, the lines, Mom, it's not that bad, but yes. Like, less lines. But it looks beautiful! Pretty much what we're doing is, I told you, we watered down that paint. We have a rag, a wet rag, and we're just like wiping it. And on the darker areas, we're letting it like sit a little bit longer and then wiping it off so that it's still, you know, just like soaks in a little bit more and like has that, the shadow that we want.
The distress.
And the distressed, beautiful look. Like, look how beautiful this is. Like this. All right, can't see it. It looks crazy on camera, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So, it's 9:30 tonight, at night. I don't know if you'd understand what I'm doing to these walls, but my mom's showing a picture. Look at the, okay, so I don't know if the camera does it justice, or if you could tell what I'm doing, because it looks kind of crazy, but look how gorgeous that is. I don't even know if I want to do the herringbone, Mom, or whatever it's called. Herringbone. Just look how pretty that is. It's like watercolor on a wall. It's like, this is my huge canvas. Yeah, I don't know why I did that 9 on top or whatever, but it's so pretty. But we're about to call it a night. Again, it looks crazy on camera, but remember, these are going to be lighter down here. It's like stunning in a weird way. It looks like wallpaper, like watercolor wallpaper. All right, but we're gonna call it a night, and maybe we'll pick this.
Continue?
Yeah, pretty much. I was like, we're gonna continue this maybe tomorrow, probably, but yeah, to be continued. And look, we're erasing right now. All right, good night.
Hello, Miss Rooster, Kelly Rooster.